You are welcome to this video. You're welcome to this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. My name is Ayo, and in this video, I'm going to be opening your mind to some, like a new avenue or some hidden avenue by which you can make money online. Making money online is something that's not hard. Are you getting what I'm saying now? It's not hard, it's not difficult. So far you have the right mindset, you have the right knowledge. Are you getting what I'm saying now? You have the ability to apply something step by step, and you have a phone plus an internet connection, okay, then you are able to make money online. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Now I want you to know something, that making money online does not lies on your phone. Making money online lies here. Are you getting what I'm saying now? That is, to make money lies here, not here. Okay, this is the tool in the hand of this. Are you getting what I'm saying now? Now to make money, you need to tap into the right knowledge. Do you understand? Learn high income skills. You need high income skills for you to make a lot of money online. Now that is high skills that a lot of people are sorting after. They want your help, either in form of service, either in form of an ebook, videos, and different kind of a thing. They just need your help. Now yours is to just go and learn these high income skills, and learn the way by which you can advertise this to people. That is, by which you can get in front of those people who need this. Then you are bound to make money. And you get what I'm saying now? This is the rule of making wealth online. Okay, the rule of making wealth online lies in solving a problem. And you get what I'm saying now? You are to solve a problem. Just discover a niche by which you are good. And you get what I'm saying now? Then even if you have a knowledge about something, a skill, you can write an ebook about this, put it on Amazon, or just try to promote it using Google ads, Facebook ads, Twitter ads. Once you promote it, create an ebook cover for it, and you begin to sell to people, get in front of people who really need this, and they are actually going to give you their money in exchange. You are going to be surprised by which you see people coming to you. Okay, a lot of you have skills about, maybe you know how to sew shoe, you know how to sew cloth, you know how to do cakes, you know how to do this kind of thing. Compile this thing, make a video or an ebook about it. Okay, make an ebook about this thing. Learn a way by which you can advertise, which we have on this channel, how to run Facebook ads, how to run Google ads, and all this kind of thing. You can pay a mentor, go and learn how to do this, and learn how to get in front of people. This is the rules to making money online. Okay, we have many avenues to make money. We have affiliate marketing, we have we have ebook selling on Amazon. We have the one by which, just different kind of ways. Okay, so if you have a skill right now, if you have something you just know, go and write an ebook on it. Go and do a video and learn how to advertise. Learn how to promote it. Learn how to get in front of those people who really need your solution, and see how you are going to be making money. So that is it. Making money is not inside your phone, it is here. Then when it's here, when you acquire the right knowledge and the right mindset, and you get what I'm saying, that you are not afraid to invest, then your phone is the tool, okay, for this. Okay, your phone is the tool for the knowledge you have gained. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon. I love you. My name is Ayo, and stay blessed.